your next promotion, your next job, your next opportunity may depend on one skill, AI. Let's see how you can build that skill in just 12 weeks. AI Career Accelerator program starting from the fundamentals, AI, generative AI agentic tool followed by the cloud, especially AWS and Azure or GCP, and MLOps. So welcome to EduArn, industry-focused learning platform designed by working professionals, project-based training methodology, and focus on AI, cloud, and automation. Hands-on lab every week. Career mentorship included, portfolio development, guidance, interview preparation support, and EduOrn community. So if you join that in this course, you will be have an opportunity to opt that in a other course as well. So why AI now? It is a artificial intelligence transforming that in every industry, starting from the IT, non-IT, and many more. Generative AI adaptations accelerating globally, and many more. You can see that, right? Then AI industry growth, AI market continue explorations that in a growth, enterprise adaptations, transforming in healthcare, finance, and retail, followed by the cloud providers expanding their AI services and growing demand of a AI engineer. Global demands for the AI engineer, starting from the AI engineers are among the fastest growing that in a role, and you can see that in a most of them how it is like starting from that in a role to that in a recruitment. Future AI job landscapes for us, particularly for AI engineer, machine learning engineer, generative AI, automations engineer, prompt engineering, cloud prompt engineer, cloud AI associate, followed by the ML ops engineer and agentic AI developer. So salary growth wise, if I'll talk on that, so entry level engineer to up to it will be go with a AI product specialist, and in between there is a multiple roles we have. So why traditional skills are not enough now? Because no one is looking for manual retrieval or repetitive tasks are automated, right? AI is changing that in a software development faster, cloud platform including AI services, and many more. So this course is designed for the beginner to the AI engineer level journey. It will be a start with a technology like in a Git, SQL, and Python, which will be the foundational technology, programming language like in a Python, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, generative AI, agentic AI, and cloud deployment. So this program is designed for the 12 weeks plus 3 weeks preparations. 10 plus portfolio projects, hands-on lab every week, career guidance, and AWS cloud learning included, particularly 5 services: IAM, EC2, VPC, RDS, and Route 53. Then AI, ML, and generative AI agent capstone project is there. So each and every participants they will be minimum do the 5 projects during that in this time period. So it's a program objective like in a building a strong programming foundations, learning data analytics and visualizations, machine learning, understanding the deep learning, how it will be generative AI, how to develop the AI agents, right, and deploy that in MLOps, including the MCP server followed by the N8N I'm also covering, in this course only. So after like in learning outcome, you can see, right? Professionals Python code, analyze visualizations, build machine learning, generative AI, right? Automate workflow with AI, deploy cloud native solutions, and build a strong technical portfolio. Then program roadmap, it will be start with a week 1 and 2 with the foundations, week 3 to 4 with a data and cloud, week 5 and 6 machine learning, 7 and 8 deep learning and generative AI, agent and automations in 9 and 10, ML ops, it will be a start with 11. After that, capstone projects and career preparations will do it. Training methodology, it is 100% instructor lead sessions, and all sessions will be recorded and uploaded into that in our EduArn website, and you can rewatch it as well. Hands-on demonstrations, practical labs, assignment, mini project, capstone, mentorship sessions, and career guidance. This is the focus on that in only weekend. We are not running that in a Monday to Friday, and it is target for only working professionals. It start with a weekend focus schedule, ideal for working professionals. Recorded video will be available, and project based learning framework. Only 20% theoretical part we are going to cover, 30% guided lab, 30% project work, and 10% of a career preparations, 10% assignments. That assignments, it may be that in a project, MCQ, or subjective test. Then continuous learning cycle, industry relevant training, and outcome based learning. The training hours, it's distributed 45 hours as a live training, 50 hours participants lab, 20 hours they have to do the project work, 2 hours career interview 101, and then weekly assessment, capstone developers, plus the mentor support and community support you will be getting. This is not 100% guaranteed job, but the skill, it may be the help it out what it is the company looking for at the moment, and how will we get that in a productivity of that in your current work. Then assessment will be there, like in a weekly hands-on lab, mini project, code quality evaluation, evaluations, and technical demonstrations, followed by the portfolio evaluations. A student success, once those who will be registered this course, they will be a start learn concept, practice skills, build project, current portfolio, prepare resumes, impact LinkedIn profile, improve LinkedIn profile, attend the in a mock interview, and apply for the in a job. These are the main technology we are going to cover it. Python, Linux, Git, SQL database, these are the foundations layer. Then AWS cloud, only 5 services, like in IAM, EC2, RDS, S3 bucket, and Route 53. Machine learning, generative AI, and MLOps. Then technology wise, these are the tools mainly it will be cover, like in for AI engineer career roadmap, understanding the AI engineer responsibility, different between AI engineer and data science, and many others technology it is there. You can watch it, because in this video I don't want to make more than a longer video, so you just watch it. The Linux foundation fundamentals, it will be a start with a why Linux dominate the cloud computing, right? Around 95% of a productions applications is deploying into that in a only Linux environment. Only 5% I can say it is there in the Windows and other operating system. So working with the directories, managing and many shell scripting, AI for the cloud engineer. Then these are the commands, around 50-55 plus Linux commands we'll see. Then git versions, then it will be a start why it is required, how the software engineers they will be used that in their code and do the automations for the AI, or like in Python code, Java code, or any other programming code as well, including the code review process, AI projects, merge and conflict resolutions, reports, repository and commits, and many more. Then this example will be also cover that in GitHubs in real projects. We'll create a repository in that in a GitHub repository for, and then it will be used it. So why Python? Then Python programming introductions is will be a start with a basic Python for AI, installing the Python environment, understanding the variables, data type, input, output, operations, expressions, and Python development tool as well. The conditional statement, loop, while, and many more. Then Python framework module like in functions, return value, loop, scope, and many more. For data structures, list, tuple, and different other data type we have with a real example. Advanced Python concept like in exception handling, file JSONs, Python libraries, debugging, and writing the machine learning code. The object-oriented programming, class constructions, method encapsulation, inheritance, and many more. Then for this also we'll have a small project which will be done by the student after completions of the course. Then NumPy, this is widely used again in that in for AI perspective, especially machine learning. The array, vector, broadcasting, scientific computer base. Then Pandas, this library is again widely used for data engineering, and you can see the data visualizations tool, how will we generate the report, see while using the meta polyps, seaborns, bar chart, line chart, and histograms, and many more. Data analytics project, again this will be done by the student. SQL fundamentals, because let's say you have a AI project and where database is also required, then this will be help to that in a students. Then cloud foundations, it will be a start with these are the in a services we'll use it. Finally, after completing the foundations, the AI course will be started from here. Artificial intelligence foundations, healthcare, finance, retail, manufacturing, customer support, automotive vehicles, solutions, security solutions, and enterprise productivity. Then prompt engineering. The prompt engineering itself a bigger topic where we'll cover that in a most of that in a topic like in a zero shot, one shot, few shot, role based prompting, chain of thought prompting, react reflections, and self container program, and enterprise prompt engineering from basic to HR executions. Then machine learning, it will be a start introductions to machine learning, why machine learning is needed, business, futures, lab, data driven, and many more. Type of a machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and semi supervised, reinforcement, and some of the classifications and all also we'll see. Then machine learning life cycle, machine learning with a skite-learn and machine learning project. Then deep learning, it will be started. Introductions to the deep learning, evaluations of a deep learning, and many more. In deep learning, these are the in a set of tools or a process will use it. Then transformers with a LLM foundations. Then attentions mechanism, self attentions, tokenizations, embedding, context for the in a Windows, and many more. Then generative AI, it will be the understanding OpenAI models, GPT model family, chat completions API, embedding API, functions calling, and more. Rega also will be cover it. Like in as a part of these sessions where you will be able to upload the document and store the data in the vector database and retrieval. Then vector database, then LangChain, followed by the in Gradio. This Gradio will be help it out for doing the visualizations. If anyone is interested more than that, we'll cover the Flask as well, which is the Python full stack for GUI development, and they can do that in the development as well. But for these sessions, Gradio will be heavily focused on that. Then agent design pattern, LangChain, building the MCP server as well we are going to use, followed by the AI automations with a end at end, and enterprise AI. So introductions to that in a ML. After that, it will be a start where ML flow, experiment tracking, model registry, Docker container, cloud deployment, CI/CD, and GitHub actions. Then end of it, they 12 weeks, you will be able to chartbook project, Rega, AI research, resume building, mock interview, and certifications and graduations. Then after that, these are the 3 weeks, or in parallel also you can start 19 days challenge, where you can build that in your one LinkedIn newsletter, YouTube videos, or Google blog post for your one branding, right? With a face or faceless, I'll be also help it out. But this is the optional part. Followed by the challenge will be there every that constant focus on the value, not a predictions, expected results. Your AI career starts with one decision. Enroll today and become AI job ready in just 12 weeks.